Hello, welcome to Living Science. It's an initiative to celebrate Indian science and splendid architects, our scientists. The journey shall also take us around the fun side of science, hopefully shattering the misnomer that somehow science is dry, unexciting, boring, tedious and even mind-numbing.
To achieve excellent science, there must be some stimulus, underlying stimulus.
I think the mantra of success is your real tenacity and perseverance, because here you have to always think of that failure is always your way.
Talk of natural sciences, especially experimental sciences, the best faculty that you need is intelligence, not scholarship, not knowledge, ability to solve problems.
Another thing which we always have been very curious to know is that how does parasite establish itself by human host? Since parasite grows in the serum and there is a lot of immune attacks it faces, how does it actually survives those attacks and establish itself?
Infection and mycobacterium seem to be the next level of the challenge, because now you have two living systems integrating with each other. How do they tune each other? What are the systems level at which they adapt each other?
I realize that if we have got always a paucity of our resources and also facilities, so we think much more. We try to do few experiments which we feel that they will be much more successful. So that way our thinking is more, idea mapping is more. So it is that way giving us not very bad result. We are doing pretty well if you compare, and in that way our research is more competitive financially or economically.
With microscopic advances, proteomic advances as well as microarray advances, we now can understand parasite biology much better, and that has helped us to really identify lots of new targets of malaria parasite and also understand parasite biology very well.
The doctoral program, in my mind, the opportunity to stop trying to learn what other people know or think they know, and start trying to learn instead what the field doesn't know. And that's an enormous transition. It's not a simple one.
The moment you make it serious, it becomes a boring exercise. Even as a play, it's frustrating. It's like you play with a Lego, you can't build that 6-story whatever. That's a natural frustration of enjoying, but it's a component of enjoying yourself, doing what you want.
That is where we have to emphasize that science is global. There is no Indian science, Spanish science, French science and all.
Science is actually fun. Science cannot be a serious activity, and it's a job where it gives you an opportunity to go back and become a 6-year-old and play with your toys and thoughts. I mean, and essentially that's what it's all about, the way I see it.